How to cancel a transaction or upcoming bill on Scotiabank. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So here is the catch. First and foremost, log in or sign in into your account. Once that is done, head over to the main page. Then tap on the second option of Move Money, which is on the second option of the navigation bar. Once you tap on it, tap on the Pay Bills section under Payments. Once you tap on it, you'll be landed to another page. Now select on Manage Bills. Once you tap on Manage Bills, it should take you to another page to check for all of the upcoming bills and payments. Select the payment schedule that you want to cancel. Once that is done, you land to this page and tap on Cancel Upcoming Payments. Confirm it and you will land to the final page, which is Finish. This way, you have successfully cancelled the transaction of paying bills on Scotiabank. But if you want to cancel other transactions or the Interact e-transfer, here is a catch. If the transaction is pending, it means the transaction can be completed and you can cancel it. However, if it is in the history section, the transaction has already been completed or deposited and the cancellation should no longer be available. So that's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.